After a dream adventure in Argentina, Luisito set out to reach his new destination, which was Colombia and its spectacular places, and especially the beautiful and kind-hearted people in Colombia, to embark on a great adventure in South America. So, with his backpack full of dreams and his heart full of excitement, Luisito set out to travel to Colombia. His first destination was Cartagena, a city full of history and color, and of vibrant and kind-hearted people. Luisito marveled as he walked through the cobblestone streets of the walled city, seeing the castle and marveling at the castle. He discovered lively squares, street vendors offering sweets and lively music that made him dance. Arriving at the beautiful beaches, he enjoyed the gentle murmur of the sea as he built sand castles and plunged into the waves. As the sun set, he marveled at the sunset and how beautifully the sun reflected off the water. Left for Bogotá. If you made it this far, we hope you like us and subscribe to our channel. We would like to enjoy your company and that you watch all our videos. In Bogotá, the Colombian capital, Luisito visited the Gold Museum. His eyes lit up when he saw the shiny gold pieces that told ancient stories, and from their history he also learned a lot about the ancient pre-Columbian cities. Then, she toured the beautiful historic center, and learned a little more about Colombian history. Was La Candelaria, where she met street performers and joined a group of children playing tug-of-war. At sunset, he climbed a hill to enjoy the panoramic view of the illuminated city. And looking at how spectacular the city looked, he kept that beautiful memory in his heart. From there he went to Medellín was the next stop, and Luisito was amazed to discover the innovative architecture of the city. He strolled through the streets adorned with colorful murals that amazed him and joined a tour of the RV park. In the late afternoon, he shared laughs with other children as they explored the park and got into nature. His journey continued in Salento, and the Caucara Valley offered Luisito breathtaking mountain scenery where he was able to watch the wonderful sunsets from the heights. He ventured on trails surrounded by giant wax palms and marveled at the majesty of nature. At dawn, he participated in a guided hike, admiring the sunrise over the mountains. San Andrés and Providencia were his next stops, where white sandy beaches, and he could see why they called them the beaches of 7 colors, because in their waters he could see a rainbow of colors and crystal clear waters that awaited him. Luisito relaxed on the beach, building castles and collecting shiny shells. At dawn, he participated in an exciting water activity, exploring the coral reefs and discovering colorful fish underwater. Villa de Leyva transported him to colonial times, and of much history, imagining how the daily life of the children would be in those times of much fun and laughter outdoors. Luisito got lost in the narrow cobblestone streets and admired the white houses with wrought iron balconies. Immersed in history, he participated in a treasure hunt in the Plaza Mayor and marveled at the ancient architecture at sunset. Finally, he arrived at the Tayrona National Natural Park, where the paradisiacal beaches and crystal clear waters led him to live an amazing experience that he will always carry in his heart and in his memories. And the tropical jungle took his breath away as he walked along the trails and enjoyed the tropical heat and its dreamy landscapes. Luisito explored trails surrounded by lush vegetation and immersed himself in crystal clear waters. As evening fell, he sat on the beach, watching as the sun was setting on the horizon, painting the sky in warm tones. With his backpack full of memories and his heart full of joy, Luisito told his friends exciting stories and remembered every adventure, every laugh and every sunset that made his trip to Colombia unforgettable. We look forward to seeing you on the next trip that will take him to the lands of Peru. Until next time, and thanks for watching the video.